Now see students, naming a sheet tab. By default, Excel displays 3 sheets in a worksheet name as sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. But we can add as many sheets as we require. आप इससे भी ज़्यादा क्या कर सकते हो, शीट्स ऐड कर सकते हो. वी कैन असाइन एनी नेम टू दिस शीट्स टैब. आप कौन सा भी नेम इसे दे सकते हो. नाउ सी स्टेप नंबर 1, राइट क्लिक ऑन द शीट 2 टैब इन द वर्कशीट. स्टेप नंबर 2, ए शॉर्टकट मेन्यू विल अपीयर. ए शॉर्टकट मेन्यू विल अपीयर. क्लिक ऑन द रीनेम ऑप्शन. इसके बाद आपको काय पे क्लिक करना है, रीनेम ऑप्शन पे. स्टेप नंबर 3, द कर्सर विल अपीयर in sheet 2 tab. The cursor will appear in sheet 2 tab. Type Vardhaman and press the enter key. And step number 4, note that the name of the sheet 2 has been changed to Vardhaman. Okay, this is a naming a sheet tab. See here, Vardhaman name has been added here. Okay, at the downside. See here, sheet on sheet 2. Okay, now see students, changing color of the sheet tab. How to change the color of the sheet tab? Some steps are there. See here, step number 1, right click on the sheet 2. You have to click on the right click on the sheet 2 tab. See here, sheet 2, where you have to click, right click on the sheet 2. Here sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. You have to click on sheet 2 tab and select tab color option from the shortcut menu. You have to, from the shortcut menu, you have to select tab color. See here, tab color is here, theme colors, all the colors are here. Then afterwards, step number 2, select any color from the display choice and observe the change. You have to select any color here. Select any color from the display choice and observe the change. Okay, then click OK afterwards. Now see here, insert, delete, rename, move or copy, view code, protect sheet, tab color. Here you have to click here, then these colors are available here. Okay, then you have to select the color from here, and that color will apply on the sheet 2. Now see functions. When you need to do calculation in a large range of cells, entering formulae repeatedly becomes too difficult and time consuming. When you need to do calculation in large range of cell, जब आप भी कुछ रेंज में फॉर्मूले कैलकुलेट करते हो तो आपको क्या लगता है, इट विल बी रिपीटिंग. ओके, बिकम्स टू डिफिकल्ट एंड टाइम इज टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. नाउ सी फंक्शन आर प्री डिफाइंड फार्मूले. फंक्शन क्या है, ये प्री डिफाइंड फार्मूले in Excel to perform both simple and complex calculation. Functions save time and eliminate the chance to write wrong formulas. They accept the arguments and return values. Also, now see here, arguments are input to function which accept values as number or text. Arguments means what? An argument of a function is a value that must be provided to obtain the function result. Function result obtain करने के लिए argument is value that must be provided. Argument value must be provided. Function value it is. Okay, now see, arguments are input function which accept values as number or text, which will accept the values of numbers or text, etc. These the values are given within parentheses. Return values display the function's output. Return value will display the function output. Now see, rules to enter a function. How to rules to enter a function. Structure, first of all, a function begins with an equal sign. Function काय से start होता है, equal sign से, followed by the function name and opening parenthesis. The see here, bracket, one bracket is there, inverted comma, close and comma. The arguments for the function separated by commas and a closing parenthesis, then bracket close, double inverted comma, full stop. Now see, 2 number function name. From a list of available function, click a cell and press shift plus F3. Which shift you have to press? F3 shift. Okay, F3 button you have to press. Click a cell and press shift plus F3. शिफ्ट दबा के आपको क्या प्रेस करना है, F3 बटन. नाउ सी आर्ग्यूमेंट. आर्ग्यूमेंट इज द वैल्यू दैट ए फंक्शन यूजेस टू परफॉर्म ऑपरेशन और कैलकुलेशन. काय के लिए यूज करते हैं, is the value that a function uses to perform operations or calculation. The type of argument a function uses is specific to the function. Common arguments that are used within function include numbers, text, cell, reference, logical values such as true or false, logical values such as true or false, errors, values such as hash, NA and names. Arguments can also be constant, formulae or other functions. The argument you designate must produce a valid value for the argument. Okay, now see here, I have told you argument means what? Argument of a function is value that must be provided. Value must be provided to obtain the function result. function result का फंक्शन रिजल्ट को वैल्यू प्रोवाइड करने में कौन हेल्प करता है? आर्ग्यूमेंट. आर्ग्यूमेंट इज हेल्पिंग द फंक्शन इज ए वैल्यू दैट मस्ट बी प्रोवाइडेड टू ऑब्टेन द फंक्शन रिजल्ट. कुछ suppose you have to find the result, you have to take the help of a function of argument. Okay, now see 4 number argument tooltip. Now see this argument for tooltip. A tooltip with the syntax and argument appear as type the function. For example, click on a cell and type is equal to sum bracket close double sum comma double bracket close, and the tooltip will appear. Tooltips only appear for built-in function. It will appear only appear for built-in functions. Now see here, serial number 1. Number 1 function sum range. Purpose gives the sum of a range. Number 2 average range finds the average of a range. एवरेज का मतलब क्या? वो एवरेज फाइंड करता है. नाउ से 3 नंबर ऑड नंबर रिटर्न द नंबर राउंडेड अप टू द नियरेस्ट ऑड इंटीजर. रिटर्न द नंबर राउंडेड अप टू द नियरेस्ट ऑड इंटीजर. Number 4 int number round a number to the nearest integer. Then number 5 production range multiplies the value in a range of cell. It will multiply the value range of cell. Number 6 round number num digit राउंड्स ए नंबर टू द स्पेसिफाइड डिजिट. डिजिट को राउंड करता है. नंबर 7 EXP नंबर रिटर्न्स नेचुरल लॉगरिथम रोज टू द पावर ऑफ ए नंबर. 8 नंबर SQRT नंबर रिटर्न्स ए स्क्वायर रूट रिटर्न्स टू ए स्क्वायर रूट. 9 नंबर पावर रिटर्न्स द रिजल्ट ऑफ ए नंबर रेज टू सम पावर. 10 number MOD number divisor returns the remainder after a number is divided by the divisor. ये सब क्या है? पर्पज है. This is function and this is the purpose. Now see using the average function. Now we will see about using the average function. Step number 1. Click on the cell where you want to place the average of value. Let us say F1. Okay, step number 1, what is that? Click on the cell where you want to place the average of values. Let us say F1. Step number 2, type equal to sign. Bracket close. Type the function name average in capital letters. What you have to type? Function name average and open a parenthesis bracket, one bracket, double inverted comma. Okay. Step number 3. You want to calculate the average of values of the range B1 to E1 first. What you have to do? You want to calculate the average of value. You have to calculate of the range B1 to E1. Then afterwards, click on the cell to define the starting cell. Click on this cell. This is highlighted. Okay. See here. Then afterwards, click on the cell to define the starting cell of the range and drag the mouse to the last cell. The cell address F1 will appear within parentheses. Step number 4. Formula bar or the cell F1 will display is equal to average bracket B1 to E1 bracket close. B1 to E1. Now see here. Step number 5. Press the enter key. The cell F1 will display the calculated result. The cell F1 will display the calculated result. See here, F1 will display the calculated result in this spreadsheet. 44.5. Okay, this is average using average function. This is spreadsheet. Now 6 number, similarly do the same for all the rows. ऐसे ही आपको क्या करना है, सब रोज को सेम करना है. ओके, नाउ सी हियर some common functions. Now we will see some common functions. Max bracket close, it is used to find the largest value in the given range. Max, it is used to find the largest value in the given range. जो भी given range में largest value उसे find करता है. Step number 1, click on the cell F4 and type is equal to, what you have to type, this is the formula, this is the suggest method. Okay, click on the cell F4 and type is equal to, here you have to type is equal to max. Okay, B4 range E4 bracket close and press the enter key. Then step number 2, to the maximum value in the range B4 to E4 will be displayed in the cell F4. cell F4 में largest value आपको इधर दिखाई दे रही है. देखो इधर जो हाईलाइट किया गया है F number 78 is the largest value. Okay, of this range of this spreadsheet using max formula. Okay, max function, this is the largest value 78, you are looking in this. Okay, now see today bracket close, it is used to display the current date. It is used to display the current date. It will display you. What is the step? See, type is equal to today bracket close in the cell and press the enter key. What you have to type? You have to type is equal to today bracket close. Here you have to type, see here today function. Okay, here this you have to type in today function is equal to today bracket close at the upstairs. Then press the enter key. Step number 2, the today bracket close function will display the current date in the selected cell. जो आपने सेल सिलेक्ट की, सपोज आपने 4 नंबर की सेल सिलेक्ट की, तो वहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, डेट आपको डिस्प्ले हो जाएगी. नाउ सी हियर डेट रिटर्न 8/1/2016. ओके, नाउ सी मीन ब्रैकेट क्लोज यूजिंग मीन फंक्शन, it is used to find the smallest value in a given range. Smallest value you can find in a given range. Step number 1, click on the cell F4 and type is equal to mean in bracket B4 to E4 bracket close and press the enter key. And step number 2, the minimum value in the range B4 to E4 will be displayed in the cell F4. See here is the smallest value 33. Okay, which is the smallest value 33, it will be showing here. Okay, the minimum value in the range B4 E4 will display the cell F4. In F4 you have to display this small value using the mean. Now see, click on, sorry, formula errors in Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel, if any formula is entered incorrectly, then Excel displays an error message instead of the value and assists you in identifying and mixing the problem. Formula error means what? A formula does not use the expected syntax, argument or data types. A formula does not use the accepted syntax, argument or data types. Now see here, in Microsoft Excel, if any formula is entered incorrectly, then Excel displays an error message instead of the value and assists you in identifying and fixing the problem. When your cell contains this error code, the column isn't wide enough to display the value. It is not display the value. Click on the right border of the column. A header will increase the column width. After that, what happen? A header will increase the column width. When your cell contains this error code, the column isn't wide enough to display the value. Click on the right border of the column. A header will increase the column width. Now see, convert Excel workbook in PDF. How to convert Excel workbook in PDF. PDF कैसा बनाते हैं Excel वर्कबुक इन PDF. कन्वर्ट करना है Excel वर्कबुक इन PDF. PDF means what? Portable document format. Portable document format is a format that preserves the formatting of the document and enables secured file sharing. Spreadsheets in MS Excel 2010 can be created as a PDF. PDF documents cannot be edited but can be viewed and printed. PDF documents हम क्या कर सकते हैं? व्यू और प्रिंट कर सकते हैं. ओके. इट कैनॉट बी एडिट आप नहीं कर सकते हो, लेकिन क्या कर सकते हो? उसे व्यू और प्रिंट कर सकते हो. नाउ सी हियर स्टेप नंबर 1. सिलेक्ट द स्प्रेडशीट और पार्ट ऑफ द स्प्रेडशीट यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट टू PDF. क्या करना है? सबसे पहले स्प्रेडशीट को आपको सिलेक्ट द स्प्रेडशीट और पार्ट ऑफ द स्प्रेडशीट यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट टू. जो भी आपको कन्वर्ट करना है, पार्ट कन्वर्ट करना है, पूरा स्प्रेडशीट कन्वर्ट करना है, तो आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? सिलेक्ट. Then step number 2, click the file tab. On the file tab you have to click. Then afterwards step number 3, click save as. Then afterwards you have to save as. Then see, type file name. Your name you can type. File name you have to type here. Then afterwards select PDF option from save as drop down menu. Then afterwards we have to select the PDF option, save as type PDF. Okay, select PDF option from save as type from type drop down menu, and at last click on save button. Okay, here the box has shown file name. You want to give file name first of all, any name you can give. Okay, or book name you can give, and save as PDF type, and at last click on save button. Your PDF will converted into Excel workbook. Okay,